Welcome back to Sri Ganesh Planet. I'm here with a new tech video on PhonePe for you all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Just open your PhonePe app. If you have set a screen lock to your PhonePe, it will ask the password. Just give it. Yes, now you are into your PhonePe app account. Okay. Here we have many options. So whatever the task that we can do from a phone pay, one is you can send money to your friend, you can receive money to your friend. After receiving money, have you received or not? How to get that confirmation? Okay, that is the third one. And fourth one, if you want to check your bank balance, you need not to get into your net banking account and verify what is the actual amount that you have at present. So here, all these tasks can be easily maintained and managed via PhonePe app. Okay, and a part of this, you might have many offers. Like if you refer someone, if you click on this refer option and share this URL to your friend, and if your friend make use of this URL, and if he installs PhonePe using your URL, you will be getting 100 rupees. That's all a reward point. Okay, and there are some other rewards like you'll be getting some cashback offers and you'll be getting some cashback at times. It's all seasonal, so you have to make sure that. And other thing is you can recharge. You can go with a mobile recharge, you can search the number and all, and you can do it. You can pay your LIC premium, and you can pay your landline bills, electricity, credit card bill. But make sure for credit card bill it won't reflect immediately, because most of the cases that which I have come across, when you pay your credit card bill, it won't reflect immediately. You might get panicked that where does your money went, but it's not like it. It will take time to process your money to the particular bank. So better you go with net banking or credit card option as per my suggestion. Okay. Next we will get into the transfer part. So how to transfer money? Here you have two contact at the top. Click on that. So I have one registered number here. Okay. So what is the amount that you wanna select? Select the amount. Send. Here you can send the highlighted send and click on this. It will be asking the pin that you have set for your PhonePe account. Okay. It's not the pin that you have set for your mobile. It's for your PhonePe before installing. Okay. Then click the tick mark that you have at the last, and at last click on done. Yeah, paid. I think you can check it now, right? It's paid. You, from Kotak Mahindra Bank, you have received a message that you have received amount. So I'm just performing a sample activity here. You can pay whatever the amount that you want. It's up to you. Okay, you're done with paying and sending. Second thing that you have to do is how to check your bank balance. Click on bank balance, click on fetching, give the same pin that you have and that you have given to that, and here. So this is the bank balance that you have and the bank account that is linked with your PhonePe account. Okay, you can directly view here. And second thing is not only the phone numbers. Here all the phone numbers you can see. For example, here photo group digitals and all. Here you can see the pay symbol in Hindi, which is marked in Hindi. It means that this guy also have PhonePe installed in his phone. When a person have a phone pay installed in his phone, you can directly send it the amount to him using phone number. Okay. But if you don't have a phone number, or for example your friend have a BIM UPI, not a phone pay, then what to do? Here also we have an option. Let me go you through that. Okay. Just go to contact. You have to get the BIM UPI ID. Okay, or any UPI ID. If you know UPI ID is like, for example, I'll just type one thing. Previously you have sent it to your friend using a phone pay. Now see, 970 at the rate UPI. You can directly give the UPI number and obviously it will give you the same number again, right? When you give the amount, when you click on yes, the same transaction will happen as shown here. This is giving the UPI ID. Okay, if you know what the UPI ID is, you can give it. Okay, done. The three things that we have learned. One is into contact. If you have phone pay installed in your friend's phone, you can directly send to his phone number by just go to account and searching his phone number, and make sure the pay symbol which is noted in Hindi should be there. That is a notation that your friend also had phone pay. If he doesn't had, he might have some other UPI options like BHIM UPI or any GPay and all, everything. For that you just type the total BHIM UPI here, like anything, XYZ or something, it's whatever he gives you. Then click on OK. It will give you the details of that person. Reconfirm the details with your friend. After that, go ahead simply. Okay. Okay, done. I think it's clear now. The second thing that we gonna discuss is the history part. Okay. History. So as I told you, where to check that your amount is received or not. In the history you can check, which is at the last corner, in the below, the right below corner of your phone. See, you can say debited from, credited from, debited from, debited from. It shows your bank account symbol, right? And where it was given to. If any transaction that you're doing is failed, it shows it's failed, debited from. If you have received from someone else, credited to, it's showing your bank account. It's credited to your bank, debited from HDFC Bank. That's all for today, friends. I think the discussion is clear for today. Hope you all like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more precise videos like this. Jai Hind.